Hello there, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2015 Lexus RX450H. That stands for a hybrid, 93,905 kilometers, and the price is $33,888 plus HST and licensing. A fully safety certified vehicle, comes with the brand new tires, brand new brakes, and a very clean outside and inside. It's a leather interior, black leather interior inside with the old power. 3 memories setting for drivers, power windows, power door locks, nice sunroof, and as I said, the interior is very clean. This vehicle is available at this time. If you wanna me to secure it, please give me a call or make an appointment to come to see this vehicle, and we're very happy to assist you. Today is Friday, March the 6th. If you want to come today, we open the doors 9 to 6 p.m. and we see if you take a look. If you like, I can secure it for you, this vehicle. And how to do is, you can reach me. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.